We're going to do a brief video here about algo msft stock signals. That's algo Microsoft stock signals. We're logged into rbamresearch.com. This is an algorithmically generated buy and short page listing buy and shorts for June 3rd for 190 stocks. We'll scroll down here in a minute just to show you exactly how this works. You can see it's generated some prices today for Marathon Oil, for a Brazilian company, for Freeport McMoran. Normally during the week, about 3 to 4 days a week, you'll see all of these populated with buy prices. About 80 to 90% will be populated. This particular day, June 3rd, you see a lot of zeros. The algorithms calculate zeros when it does not offer a reasonable buy price. Again, these expire each day, and today these are good for the 3rd of June, Friday, June 3rd. They came out at 7 a.m. this morning, and they'll expire at the end of the trading day today. Let's take a look at how they work. We have 1, 5, and 20-day holding periods. If we go down here and take a look at Microsoft, we can see Microsoft showing no reasonable places to entry today, but let's just assume Microsoft was an entry today and just make up a price, $50. If it was $50 here on a one-day hold, you could buy, assuming your analysis said it was a good price, you could get in at $50, hold one trading day, which would be buy today, close out, worst case, end of trading day tomorrow. That's one trading day, and you'd have a reasonable chance of making a profit. These holding periods, as they expand to 5 to 20, basically what happens is if you're willing to hold 5 or 20-day periods, your trading day periods, can expect that your average profit would increase a little bit and your average win percentage would increase a little bit. That's basically the way this algorithm works. Now, just because your hold period is 5 or 20 does not mean you hold for 1, 5, or 20 trading days. You get out as soon as you get a profit, assuming you get one. If you don't get a profit, then you close it out worst case at the end of 1, 5, or 20 trading days. So if you were to buy, again, Microsoft down here, let's say it said for a 5-day holding period, let's say Microsoft said $60 for a 5-day holding period. You could buy it at 60 as long as your analysis backed that up. And then if you got a profit today, you'd close it out today. If you got a profit in 2 trading days, you'd close it out. If at the end of the 5th trading day you did not have a profit, you'd go ahead and close it out at a loss. So that's basically how these algorithms work. Again, we cover 190 stocks. They're all updated by 7 a.m. in the morning, Monday through Friday at rbamresearch.com. You can get those stocks. You can also get, these are long onlys for the stocks. You can also get longs and shorts for the major forex pairs. We covered Bitcoin for crypto and the most liquid futures contracts. rbamresearch.com. There's a link in the description below. Everything's available by 7 a.m. every weekday morning. No credit card required. Absolutely free. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe for more of these, please subscribe. And remember, everything on this website, including the entry prices, is for entertainment purposes only. You should never use our entry prices for anything other than observation points, and you should verify them with your own research. And you definitely trade at your own risk. Please consult a financial advisor if you feel you need one.